Okay, so we need some practice on that. Have we ever figured out what the complimentary first year's maintenance is?
Yes, 2 oil changes and 1 tire rotation.
A year.
Two. So if I buy a Motor Trend certified vehicle, you guys are gonna get me 2 oil changes and a tire rotation.
Correct.
Okay, what's that worth?
So they can experience our service department and
Okay,
come back?
that's the why.
Okay.
Okay, good, but what's it worth? I mean, do customers in Virginia care about money?
I mean, yeah, they care about it.
Yeah. So what's it worth?
I mean, it's no cost to them, so it's not worth any. I mean, it's worth a lot because they're not having to pay out of pocket.
Okay, but we want to quantify the value of 2 oil changes and a tire rotation. I know what I pay at a Honda store. Okay, I pay $80 for a tire rotation and a oil change. So I'm going to guess I'd pay $60 for an oil change. So is that not $140 worth right there? Is it worth letting the customer know it's $140 worth?
Yeah.
Look, you give me $5, I like you. You give me $140, I like you a lot.
Yeah.
All right?